Good morning, one and everyone. Measures of dispersion, chapter number 4 in statistics, in which today we are going to see very important method, standard deviation and CV. CV means the coefficient of variation. In our textbook, page number 150, example number 19. Score of player A and player B, batsman A and batsman B is given. This is given example. Score of player A and score of player B means batsman A and batsman B. And number of the observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From that, from the given information, which batsman or which player is more consistent, more uniform, more homogeneous in his playing. Means we have to say. So that we have to calculate CV for both the players, player A and player B. For computing CV, first of all we have to determine mean and then standard deviation, and hence we can find out CV of each player one by one. Calculation for batsman A and calculation for batsman B. Score of player A 25 runs, 50 runs, 45 runs. See 25, 50, 45, 30. Score of player A, that is X, means given score. X means given score, right? Score. D equal to X minus A and then D square. Assume any value, means take not necessarily given in this series. Now we have taken A equal to 40. Now subtract 40 from each value of X. 25 minus 40, it becomes minus 15. 50 minus 40 become 10. 45 minus 40, 5. 30 minus 40 means minus 10. 70 minus 40 means 30, and so on. D means deviation. Deviation means difference. Take A equal to any value but the appropriate, somewhat middle value, right? Not so less, not so more. Then prepare the column of D square minus 15 whole square 225. See the column of D square, positive sign, always positive. Square of any number cannot be negative, even if minus sign also that. Minus 10 square 100, square of 5 25, square of 2 4, minus 4 square becomes 16, minus 6 square becomes 36, square of 20 400. Make the totals, total of D and D square. Similarly, calculate the same value for batsman B or player B. See, score of player B 10, 70, 50, 50, 20 and so on. Now assume 50, right, from this value. Now subtract 50. 10 minus 50 minus 40. 70 minus 50, 20. 50 minus 50, it becomes 0. 20 minus 50 minus 30, 30. 95 minus 50, 45, and so on. Then prepare this square. 40 whole square minus sign, the square becomes positive 1600. Minus 30 whole square 900. 45 square 2025, and so on. 30 square 900. Make the column of total of D and D square. After completing this calculation, computation of mean, computation of standard deviation and computation of CV for the player A and line B. This is the calculation for batsman A, means player A. N equal to 10 and assume value A equal to 40. See, N equal to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And A means assume value is 40. For player A or batsman A, right? N equal to 10, A equal to 40. X bar is given by this average run rate is given by A plus sigma D upon N. A means assume value, total of D 4040, right? 40 divided by 10 means X bar average run rate 40 plus 4 means 44 run. Standard deviation as is given by root of sigma d square upon n minus sigma d upon n whole square under the root means square root. D square total is 1870. See 1870 upon 10 sigma d upon n 40 by 10 means 4. 4 square 4 whole square becomes 16. 187 minus 16 subtraction become 171 and the square root of this number barabar square root of this number 171 it become 13.08 runs. It is known as standard deviation for player A or for player batsman A. Then CV of A. CV, the coefficient of variation with the help of CV we can conclude that which batsman or which player is more consistent or more homogeneous or more uniform in his CV of A. S upon x bar means standard deviation upon mean into 100 measured in percentage. 13.08 upon 44 into 100 measured in percentage. Ultimately answer become 29.73%. Answer number 1. The same calculation, the similar calculation for batsman B or player B. See this. N equal to 10, A equal to 50. N equal to 10. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and A means assumed value 50. Total of D 3030, total of D square 6018. Right? Arithmetic mean x bar A plus sigma D upon n. You can make use of direct method also, but this is the standard method. This is the master key. Whether the x bar is integer or in fraction, you may make use of this method in both the cases. D method, deviation method, shortcut method is the master key. You can apply for each and every example, for any example. 50 plus 3, 3030 upon 10, 53 run is the average run rate for player B. Standard deviation, calculation method remains same. Square root of sigma d square upon n minus sigma d upon n whole square. 6018 upon 10. Sigma d upon n is 3030 upon 10 means 3 square. This is 601.80 minus 9.00. Ultimately square root of 592.80. And if you take the square root, if you take out the square root of this number, you will get the standard deviation or S. Standard deviation for player B is 24.35 run. Now, computation of CV. The coefficient of variation. See, standard deviation is the most important measure of dispersion. We have studied range and coefficient of range. We have studied QD, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. Also, we have studied MD, mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation. But of all these measurements, standard deviation is the most important measurement of dispersion. CV of B means player B, S upon x bar into 100, measured in percentage, S means 24.35 upon 53 into 100. The simplification will give you answer as 45.94 in percentage, answer number 2. Now compare the value, coefficient of variation for player A and coefficient of variation for player B, and CV for which player is less. It is known as more homogeneous, more consistent, more uniform, more reliable. See, the series for which, the series out of NB, the series for which CV is less is said to be more consistent, more homogeneous, more reliable, more uniform, more desirable. CV of A is less than CV of B. See, 29.73 is less than 45 point something, means CV of A is less than CV of B. Sign is less than, right? CV of player A is less than CV of player B. Therefore, batsman A or player A is more consistent, more uniform, more reliable, or more homogeneous in his game, or he will be selected for the other series also. This is the important method. Generally asked for 4 to 5 marks. Section E or section F. From our textbook, from practice book, from illustration example, exercise example, or assignments or past year papers. Please do practice very well and get ready for the coming examination. So thank you everyone.